Is it time to buy or sell Brown & Brown stock? In this video, we will explore Brown & Brown in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 31st of January, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any critical updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI to receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the end of January 2025, our system has identified Brown & Brown as a strong buy candidate, awarding it a score of 1.32. Now, let's examine the stock's performance throughout this time frame. We will keep a close watch on this evaluation to see how it develops in the upcoming days. The stock is currently positioned within a declining trend in the short term, indicating that further decreases are anticipated. The present 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of approximately 7.35% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging between negative 13.39% and negative 5%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 35.62% over the next year, with potential returns between 33.36% and 53.92%. This means the price could range from $139.57 to $161.10 after a year. Our latest daily update for Brown & Brown includes the headline, Brown & Brown Inc. stock upgraded from hold accumulate to buy candidate after Friday trading session. The Brown & Brown Inc. stock price fell by approximately 0.759% on the last day, Friday, the 31st of January, 2025, from $105.46 to $104.66. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 1.44%, with a day low at $104.52 and a day high of $106.3. The price has experienced ups and downs during this period, resulting in a loss of about 1.22% over the last 2 weeks. Volume increased on the last day by 709,000 shares, despite the falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the risk could slightly increase over the next couple of days. In total, 2 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $186.56 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $114.15, while the lowest price was $77.12. Currently, the price is 8.31%, or $9.49, below the 52-week high of $114.15, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Brown & Brown Incorporated, trading under the symbol BRO, recently reported its fourth quarter earnings that surpassed analyst expectations, posting earnings of 86 cents per share compared to a forecast of 75 cents. This robust performance is attributed to an impressive increase of 15.4% in total revenues, reaching $1.2 billion, alongside a strong organic revenue growth of 13.8%, driven by higher commissions and fees. Although elevated expenses partially offset these gains, the expanded EBITDA margin indicates operational efficiency. The earnings call further emphasized positive trends, showcasing the company's resilience in a changing market, including its ongoing recovery from external challenges like recent wildfires, which may enhance the company's reputation and investor confidence. Furthermore, the board's decision to declare a quarterly cash dividend of 15 cents per share, payable in February, reflects a commitment to shareholder returns and may bolster investor sentiment in the short term. Overall, this impressive quarterly performance and strategic dividend declaration position BRO favorably for continued investor interest, likely impacting stock prices positively in the near future. In the long term, consistent revenue growth and efficient operations could solidify Brown & Brown's market standing, enhancing its attractiveness as a growth and income investment. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 29th of January, 2025, it was reported that RBC Capital assigned BRO an outperform rating along with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 29th of October, 2024, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned BRO a buy rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 9th of October 2024, it was reported that Jefferies assigned BRO a hold rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 4th of September 2024, it was reported that Barclays assigned BRO an equal weight rating with an initialize action. On Monday, the 12th of August 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned BRO an overweight rating with an upgrade action. Analysts have assigned Brown & Brown stock a general neutral rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio is also rated as strong sell. However, for return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Brown & Brown. The stock of Brown & Brown Inc. currently holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, it also indicates a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is an overall buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive outlook. Should the stock experience further gains, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $105.34. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the long-term average at around $103.55. A breakthrough above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a drop below the long-term average will initiate a sell signal. Additionally, a buy signal is present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. There are some negative signals as well, which may impact the near-term development. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, January 27, 2025, and thus far, the stock has decreased by 2.95%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume increased on falling prices yesterday, which could serve as an early warning, indicating that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 5 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 5 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 4 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 9 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 5 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 22 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Brown & Brown. Brown & Brown Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $102.93. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. This stock typically trades at a good volume, and with minor daily changes, the associated risk is considered to be low. During the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.51, which is 1.44%, between its highest and lowest points. For the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 2.47%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Brown & Brown, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This crucial metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This PE ratio is considered relatively normal, frequently observed in companies with established histories or predictable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 28th of April, 2025. Analysts have a consensus estimate set at $1.25. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Brown & Brown. In the event of an upward trend, the initial resistance level for Brown & Brown is at $105.02. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this may be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Brown & Brown encounters its first support level at $102.93. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Brown & Brown from various analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the last day of December 2024, Brown P. Barrett sold 100,360 shares of common stock with a par value of 10 cents. On the last day of December 2024, Brown J. Powell sold 100,360 shares of common stock with a par value of 10 cents. On the last day of December 2024, Brown Hyatt J. sold 100,360 shares of common stock with a par value of 10 cents. On the 13th day of December 2024, Watts R. Andrew sold 2,017 shares of common stock with a par value of 10 cents. On the 13th day of December 2024, Watts R. Andrew bought 345 shares of common stock with a par value of 10 cents. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 81.788. In summary, insiders purchased 272,073 shares and sold 2,735,038 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $100.72, representing a decline of 3.76%. This stock experiences low daily fluctuations, which translates to a reduced risk profile. Additionally, a sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 4 days ago. Is Brown & Brown stock a good buy? Despite the stock being on a downward trend, several short-term indicators are showing positivity. We believe that the current price may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for the stock to perform well in the near future. Our analysis has been updated from a hold accumulate recommendation to now suggest it as a buy candidate. After examining the volatility and trading movements from the previous day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, February 3rd, we anticipate that Brown & Brown will open with an increase of approximately 409 thousandths of a dollar, starting trading at $105.07. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information provided, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.